Irish roast chicken with hazelnut stuffing. A main dish from Ireland. Serves 2. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Spread hazelnuts in one layer in a baking pan and toast 10 to 15 minutes in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven until they are lightly colored and the skins blistered. Wrap the nuts in a tea towel. Let them steam for 1 minute in a stainless steel or enameled tea towel to remove skins. Cook the chopped onion and celery in 1/2 stick butter, stirring for 3 minutes or until mixture is softened slightly. Add the breadcrumbs, the hazelnuts, the grated lemon rind, thyme, sprinkle the chicken inside and out with salt and pepper to taste. Then cook the mixture until it is well combined with stuffing, about 2 minutes. Truss the chicken. Let the stuffing cool. Chicken with the honey butter mixture and lightly sprinkle with the grated nutmeg. Country Reports. Put chicken on one side on a roasting rack and roast in preheated oven.